welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to be Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, well, maybe you can tell by the title, I'm going to be jumping in like a pile of grass. Well, it's dead grass. Don't ask me why it's dead. I did not kill it. First of all, look around and I'll show you where I got the grass from. Yeah, it's kind of a pretty unlucky jackpot there. So, yeah. People are just up there cutting grass and it's pretty sad, but people gotta do what people gotta do, right? So anyway, I am gonna show you where my pile of grass is. Follow me. This is my pile of grass where my butt is all grassy. And if you're wondering how I made it, well, here's the story. I found a big pile of grass and after blah, 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 left and right, and here we go. Now I have a pile of grass. And that is how I tell stories. I found a pile of grass, blah, 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 left and right, and I kind of just took my feet and my hands, and my mom helped me, thank you. And I kind of just threw it on there. And now, the best part, drum roll, please. Let's jump. 3, 2, 1. Cannonball! I'm gonna bury myself. I'm grounding now. I'm pretty grounded. So yeah. I mean, I really like to jump, but you guys should really try it if you ever find some dead grass, or if you just find grass laying around. So thank you guys so much for watching. Comment below, comment, and subscribe. Hope you guys like this video. Peace out.